We all wear shoes. Every single day we slip our feet into them, often without a second thought. We wear them for work, for play, and for countless activities in between. Whether it's a casual stroll in the park, a hectic day of shopping, or a busy day at the office, shoes are our constant companions. But let's be honest, folks, shoes can be a pain. Literally. We've all experienced that moment when our feet just can't take it anymore. Blisters, pinched toes, sore arches, we've all been there. It's a universal struggle. Finding footwear that's both comfortable and durable can feel like searching for buried treasure. It's a quest many of us embark on, often with little success. Traditional shoes often fall short. They might look good, but they don't always feel good. Leather can be stiff and unforgiving, making every step a challenge. Sneakers, on the other hand, can lack the necessary support for prolonged use. And don't even get me started on high heels. They might be stylish, but comfort is often sacrificed. There's got to be a better way, right? A solution that doesn't force us to choose between style and comfort. Well, that's where Crocs come in. These innovative shoes are designed with your comfort in mind. These aren't your grandpa's dress shoes, folks. Crocs bring a modern twist to footwear. Crocs are all about comfort and practicality. They provide the support you need without compromising on style. They're designed to hug your feet, not squeeze them. The material is soft yet durable, ensuring a snug fit that feels just right. But don't let that fool you. Crocs are tough enough to handle just about anything you throw at them. From rugged outdoor activities to everyday wear, Crocs have got you covered. So what's the secret behind Crocs' incredible comfort and durability? It's all thanks to a revolutionary material called Croslite. This closed-cell resin foam is the heart and soul, pun intended, of every Croc. Croslite isn't your average foam, it's lightweight and flexible, conforming to the shape of your foot like a custom-made insole. But here's the kicker. Croslite is also incredibly durable and resistant to odor and bacteria. That means your Crocs won't stink up the place, even after a long day on your feet. And because Croslite is waterproof, you can wear your Crocs just about anywhere, from the garden to the beach. Making a Croc is a bit like baking a cake, but instead of flour and sugar, we're using Croslite pellets. These tiny lightweight pellets are the secret ingredient that gives Crocs their unique comfort and durability. These tiny pellets are melted down and injected into molds that shape them into those iconic Crocs clogs we all know and love. The process is precise, ensuring that each pair of Crocs meets the high standards of quality and comfort. The molds are carefully crafted to create the Crocs' signature ventilation holes and comfortable footbeds. These features are not just for style, they provide breathability and support, making Crocs perfect for all-day wear. Once the Croslite has cooled and hardened, the shoes are popped out of the molds and ready for finishing touches. This stage is crucial as it ensures that each shoe is perfectly formed and ready for the next steps. This is where things get interesting. Crocs come in a rainbow of colors, and those vibrant hues are added during the molding process. The colors are not just on the surface, they are embedded throughout the entire shoe. Special pigments are mixed with the Croslite pellets, ensuring that the color is consistent throughout the entire shoe. This meticulous process guarantees that every pair of Crocs is as vibrant and durable as the last, ready to bring a splash of color to your wardrobe. Walking the walk, quality and sustainability in every step. Crocs aren't just about comfort and style, they're also built to last. Each pair undergoes rigorous quality control checks to ensure they meet the highest standards. From the stitching to the soles, every detail is scrutinized. But Crocs' commitment to quality goes beyond just the finished product. They're also dedicated to reducing their environmental footprint. Crocs has implemented several sustainability initiatives, including using recycled materials in their shoes and packaging. They've even launched a program that allows customers to recycle their old Crocs, keeping them out of landfills. So, when you slip on a pair of Crocs, you can feel good knowing you're making a responsible choice. Crocs, innovation for comfort and beyond. From their inception, Crocs have always been about pushing the boundaries of comfort and style. Crocs have come a long way since their humble beginnings as boating shoes. What started as a simple idea has transformed into a global sensation. Today, they're a global phenomenon, embraced by people of all ages and walks of life. From children to seniors, everyone finds a pair that suits their needs. But Crocs aren't resting on their laurels. The brand is dedicated to continuous improvement and innovation. They're constantly innovating and expanding their product line. New materials, new designs, and new technologies are always in the works. From sandals to sneakers to platforms, Crocs offer a diverse range of options. Crocs now come in a wide variety of styles to suit every taste and occasion. Whether you're dressing up or down, there's a Croc for you. And with their unwavering commitment to comfort, durability, and sustainability, Crocs ensure that every step you take is a step towards a better future. It's clear that Crocs are here to stay. Their popularity continues to grow, and their designs keep evolving. So, the next time you're looking for a shoe that can keep up with your busy life, remember that Crocs are designed to support you every step of the way. Ditch the blisters and embrace the Croc. Experience the difference that true comfort can make. Your feet will thank you. With Crocs, every day is a comfortable day.